Hi students, myself Bhageshri. I am working in Vijayanagara College, Hospete. Students, in the previous class, we discussed about the sequence chapter. Now I am going to explain about the new chapter series. In this sequence, you learned about the definition, nature of the sequence, convergent, divergent, oscillatory. In the same concept, we used in the series. In this series chapter, we discuss about the definition, nature of the series. Okay, next we move to the definition of the series. What is the series definition? Consider an infinite sequence u1, then infinite sum, that is u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus un up to infinity, that is sum of the members of the sequence un is called an infinite series, or simply it is called the series. It is denoted by the symbol summation n running from 1 to infinity un, that is u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus u4 up to so on infinity. This is the definition of the series. What is the definition of the series? You know about the sequence un. un ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸಮ್. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಎಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್? ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ infinite terms of the sequence are called the series of the given sequence, and it is denoted by the symbol. If un is a sequence, if a series is denoted by summation n running from 1 to infinity un r, simply summation un. This is the denotation of the series. Next we will go for the example. Consider the example. Summation n running from 1 to infinity 1 by n is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 up to so on infinity ವರ್ಗು. 1 by n ಅದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು n running from 1 to infinity ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is converted to series. This is the example. Similarly, these three are the example for the series. That is summation n running from 1 to infinity n square, summation n running from 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n. These are the example for the series. Next we go over the important points on the series. That is, first point is, when you say that the series is a positive term, if all the terms of the series are positive or the value of un is greater than 0, then we say that series of the positive terms. And another point in, when you say that the series is said to be alternative term, if the terms of the series are alternatively positive or minus. Here observe that in four examples, observe these two examples, all the terms are positive, therefore this is the positive term of the series. But observe the example 3 and 4. In the example 3 and 4, alternative sign is present, plus minus, therefore it is an example. These two are example for the alternative series. Next we consider let summation n running from 1 to infinity un be the series. That is, it can be written as summation n running from 1 to infinity un is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 up to so on infinity. You consider let s1 is equal to u1, s2 is equal to u1 plus u2, s3 is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3, and this similarly the value of sn is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to so on un. Here s1 is called the partial sum of the series, that is first partial sum of the series. s2 is called the second partial sum of the series un. Similarly, Sn is called the nth partial sum of the series un. Using this concept, we define the another definition, important definition for the series, that is sequence of partial sums. Then what is the meaning of sequence of partial sum? That is, define the definition. Let summation un, that is series un, be the given series, and s1, s2, s3 up to so on sn be the different partial sum of the series un. Then the sequence Sn, that is Sn is equal to S1, S2, S3 up to so on Sn, is called the sequence of the partial sum of the series summation un. un ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ನ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಆ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೀರೀಸಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಯು ಎನ್ there corresponds or there exists an unique sequence Sn of its partial sums. This is about the definition of partial sum of the sequence. Next we go for the nature of the series. In the previous classes you know about the nature of the sequence: convergent sequence, divergent, oscillatory. Similarly in this case we define the convergent series, divergent series and oscillatory series. Before going to the definition, consider series un be series and sequence Sn be the corresponding sequence of partial sum. ನೀವು un series ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Sn ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸು, ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಆಸಿಲೇಟರಿ ಸೀರೀಸನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ, when the series summation un is said to be convergent if the sequence Sn is said to be convergent. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ un ಸೀರೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Sn ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀರೀಸು ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ the sequence is convergent, that is limit of Sn as n tends to infinity is equal to n. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. Next we go for the divergent series. What is the divergent series? Same conditions. When the series summation un is said to be divergent if the sequence Sn is divergent. When you say that the sequence Sn is divergent, that is limit of value of the sequence either plus infinity or minus infinity. ಏನಾದರೂ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀರೀಸು ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್. Next we go for the oscillatory series. What is the oscillatory series? The series summation un is said to be oscillatory if the sequence, there is a small correction, this one is wrong. That is the series summation un is said to be oscillatory if the sequence Sn is finitely oscillates or infinitely oscillates. That is oscillates finitely or infinitely. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ Sn, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 plus up to so on nth term ಅಂತ 1 divided by n into n plus 1 and so on. This is the series. We have to observe the nature of these series. ಅರೆ un ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? un is equal to 1 divided by n into n plus 1. Here we can written as 1 divided by n into n plus 1 is also can be written as 1 divided by n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ಗೂ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sn ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sn ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? Sn is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to so on un. Therefore here Sn is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 up to so on un value. What is our un value? 1 divided by 1 into 2. 1 divided by 1 into 2 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 using this concept. Plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Plus this term can be written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 up to so on. Nth term is 1 by n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Simplify the term. Here observe that first term as it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 get cancelled. Same similarly, plus 1 by n minus 1 by n get cancelled. Remaining terms are Sn is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the value of Sn. Our problem is to find out the nature find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಡೈವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore limit of Sn as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of what is our Sn value 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 as n tends to infinity. Calculate the value of limit. It is free from n value, therefore the limit value is 1 minus, if you substitute n tends to infinity, infinity plus 1 is infinity, 1 divided by infinity, 1 minus 1 by infinity is 0, 1 minus 0 becomes 1. Therefore limit of the sequence and 1, it is finite and unique, therefore the given sequence is convergent. Given sequence is convergent, therefore the given series is convergent and converges to 1. And see the another example. We have to find the nature of the given series, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. That is, consider the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. Find the nature of the series. Ee tara questions keltare. First you have to write, this is the given series. What is the given series? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on infinity irutte. ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ u1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ u2 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು n ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ 1 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. It is a standard formula is there. Summation n cube is always equal to the n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Therefore we can be written this one as a n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. We know the value of Sn, then we have to calculate the limit of the Sn. Limit of Sn as n tends to infinity is equal to limit Sn value is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 as n tends to infinity. Next you have to find out the limit point, that is you substitute the n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity, take as infinity square, infinity into infinity again infinity, therefore the limit value is infinity, therefore the given sequence is divergent and is diverges to plus infinity.